Look in damp or shady places, such as woodland or in ditches, and you'll find this beauty. Wild garlic is also known as ramps or Ramsons in many parts of Ireland. All parts of the plant are edible and the flavour is milder than that of a garlic clove that you'd get in the supermarket. It's not to be confused with three-cornered leek, which has bell-shaped flowers rather than star-shaped flowers, and it's definitely not to be confused with wild arum, otherwise known as lords and ladies, or with lily of the valley, both of which are poisonous. If in doubt, sniff it out. The smell of garlic will be a pungent reassurance that you've made a correct identification. Culpepper said that it had very similar healing effects to onion, but with a few distinct advantages, namely negating the effects of drinking stagnant water, being an antidote for several kinds of poisonous herbs, and chasing off the effects of corrupt eggs or mineral vapours. Even though it was a native herb here back as far as ancient times, it's only actually in recent decades that we've started to use it for cooking in Ireland, and I believe I may have discovered why. Apparently under Brehon law, you could be fined if you were caught picking wild garlic. So I think it's maybe a wariness or just a habit that has developed from then. It used to be grown on farms to keep disease away from cattle, but when dairy farms realised that it was affecting the taste of their butter, they began to dig it up and get rid of it. It was also used as a cure for lung complaints by being steeped in milk overnight, then stewed until soft and strained through a muslin. The milk was then drunk 3 times a day. As always with foraging, please don't get overexcited and go, I'm gonna pick 6 buckets and make pesto and salad and pickles and potions. Only pick what you need, and no more than 5% of the clump that you've found. Cut the plant as far down as you can with a clean blade, so as not to damage the plant. I'm just gonna have this little one for now though.